LegalZoom Trademark Filing Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most entrepreneurs assume trademark registration is complicated and expensive, but the surprising truth is that LegalZoom simplifies the process with transparent pricing. LegalZoom offers trademark filing services starting at per class of goods or services, plus the ISP2 filing fees, which typically range from to per class. Higher tier packages starting at include features like comprehensive search, monitoring, and attorney support. For example, if you're launching a brand, LegalZoom can perform a preliminary trademark search to reduce the risk of conflicts, prepare and submit the application, and track its progress. Optional attorney assistance ensures accuracy and compliance with ISP2 requirements. Most small business owners find that LegalZoom saves time and reduces errors compared to filing independently. The pricing is transparent, so you know exactly what you're paying without hidden fees. In conclusion, LegalZoom Trademark Filing delivers excellent value for entrepreneurs and businesses seeking brand protection. With clear pricing, guided forms, and optional attorney support, you can secure your trademark efficiently and confidently.